Yeah.
National Task Force will be doing its work. In the meanwhile, CCTV cameras and distress call systems be installed in all hospitals. So that should be implemented firstly, my lord. Secondly, my lord, I have a suggestion that there should
We filed the report, my lord.
be connectivity between all hospitals and the nearest police station. That's one. And secondly, my lord, whenever a complaint is filed, why should a victim have to go to the police station if there is any incident of violence or harassment? The management of the hospital should be the complainant. That's second. And thirdly, my lord, we should go beyond the CCTV cameras. There should be wearable devices, as a badge or on the wrist, where if there is any violent incident, that should be immediately, that should lead to an alarm.
That we have asked the committee specifically to formulate its clarity.
Tomorrow.
We expect the committee to come out with its
My lords, that's due tomorrow. Could that be placed then on the next occasion? Because our doctors, my lords, are working, they're back at work, and they are not feeling safe.
Well, they are not
So,
back at work. This
my
is one of the issues I've raised, my lord.
25,000 doctors are back at
So,
work.
Sibyl, we would expect the state of West Bengal to put into place, even without waiting for the report of the National Task Force,
My doctors are.
basic measures for ensuring.
We have done it, my lord. We've done it already, my lord. We filed an application.
Your status report merely indicates that funds have been sanctioned.
No,
Not
my lord.
indicated what steps have been adopted on the site.
Report, Health Secretary says all that, my lord.
My lord,
But can
my
I,
lord, the CISF,
There are goons in the hospital.
can I have the liberty, my lord, at least to address your lordship for 5-7 minutes, my lord?
That's the report of the health department?
Yes, yes.
Let's see what you have done.
Yeah.
My
My
lord,
lord,
urgent direction. My
Just because there's a moment of silence is not a reason for everybody to just,
says State Department, through your lordship may see, page 1, 2, the surveillance, the rest.
no, page 1 is state government has issued comprehensive guideline on 19th August.
Next page.
Next page, my lord, next page.
Sanction 37.28 crore.
No, and after that, CCTV, my lord.
TV surveillance.
CCTV surveillance cameras in medical colleges, other hospitals. State government has taken and installed additional CCTV cameras in all government.
1,747 CCTV cameras were functioning in medical colleges. Why would this offense have taken place?
Yes, you're right,
But state government has taken the initiative to install additional 6,178 CCTV cameras.
Yeah.
Are being constructed. 893 additional duty restrooms are being constructed. Illumination is, state government is looking at the installation.
That naturally, these are not, they're not available there, my lord. So we have to do this right away, my lord.
But tell us one thing, what is it that the state government has installed at RG Corp, for instance? Tell us at RG Corp what additional equipment has been installed after we took charge of the matter.
All right, we'll tell you that, my lord.
Not just that sanctions have been issued. We
No,
want to
no,
know
your
what is
lordship is
the,
absolutely
what
right.
is the, what is the progress on the ground that the
Let's
state government?
kindly see, we have said at page 4, my lord, that we are taking up works regarding security infrastructure upgradation of RG Medical College as suggested by CISF and assigned an amount of 50, a copy of memo dated so-and-so, so-and-so. State government has given
Taking up
distress
work.
helpline numbers. CFS told us we are moving forward, my lord, in that direction.
Tell us by the next day
Very well.
on what steps have actually been implemented on the ground.
Sure, my lord, we'll do that.
We are back to work, my lords.
Definitely.
And let the district collectors, we look at the government hospitals. Let the district
Para
collectors,
7, my lord.
just 1 second, please.
at work.
Let the district collectors engage with the heads of each of the government medical colleges and ensure that whatever steps have to be taken are taken in the next 1 week.
Very well, we'll do that. But in the
My
meantime,
lord, my lord,
may I be able,
We'd be very grateful.
can I have 5-7 minutes of your lordship's time, my lord? I'm sorry to trouble your lordships. Mullahs, kindly have a look at page 5 of this report, Mullahs.
7.
Para 7. So see the problem that we are facing. 23 people have died, Mullahs, because they don't come to work. Para 7, further, the resident doctors of different medical colleges and hospitals across the state have been abstaining from duty for the last 28 days. The healthcare system is facing severe disruptions and can come to a standstill as resident doctors are the backbone of the healthcare in government medical colleges and hospitals. Due to continued ceased work, public at large is suffering. Some of the details are as follows. 6 lakh individuals have been denied treatment as resident doctors are not attending OPDs. Where do we go from here, Malaj? causing the delayed number of attendees of government medical colleges to drop from 70,000 to 40,000. This has restricted access to specialty and super specialty treatments, especially to poor patients such as cardiology, oncology, neurology. These facilities are only available in medical colleges. Cardiology treatments such as stenting and angiography have been withheld for approximately 1,500 patients. Then, 20 cases of deaths have occurred. In the meantime, we are now, another 3 have died. They don't go to work.
May I answer
And
that?
1 second.
My lord, may I answer?
Your Lordship said last time, I remember now, allow me to please say something. Your Lordship said last time that you must go back to work. They
Can
don't
I
go back to work, and
Can I answer that?
1 second.
None of our doctors are on stress.
Before you answer it, allow him to make his point.
Yes,
Exactly that.
yes,
Yes, of
yes.
So, therefore, your Lordships may now indicate in your order that, if they don't go back to work, then proceedings will be taken against them. But it can't be, that people die, they don't go to hospitals, and, if it's a cancer treatment, we are sending them to pilot hospitals, and they are dying there because they can't get this treatment.
Doctors are back, but
My lord,
We have, may I help you, booths, we have set up all over they have ransacked those booths. This is what's happening on the ground. But because we don't get any time to even address your Lordships on issues. And I'm very happy, that at last we've got an opportunity. Then what's happening is, now protests are taking place all over the state. There is no program that is submitted to the police. There is no route that is submitted to the police. There is no permission sought from the police. They are protesting all over the place. Now, what do? This is what's happening on the ground. And now, it's turned into something entirely different, which I don't want to mention,
Who's appearing for the Doctors Association?
my lord, I'm appearing for the doctors.
I am for senior doctors, my lord.
Show your Lordship the
Senior
photographs.
doctors are
41
at
police
work.
personnel have been
Senior
injured.
doctors.
One has lost his eye permanently.
Senior
And
doctors.
I've seen the photograph.
Not by doctors.
And they are denying treatment to the police. That's the other thing that's happening. And there's blood over their bodies, I have the photographs with me. If I show them to you, your Lordship
My lord,
shout.
I, my lord, I appear for the
Let's kindly
doctors
see now.
grant.
Let's kindly see the page 69. Yes, kindly see page 69.
If you can give us what he is saying.
Page 73 of our status report, of the police report. Kindly, just give me,
The state was
allow
quite
me,
silent.
one
Lord.
second, please.
State
Mr.
was quite
Solicitor, I
silent
never
when your lordships
interrupted
were
you. Allow me to
examining the
say
offense.
something.
Now the state has
Mr.
become aggressive.
Solicitor, allow me to say something, please.
Lord,
Doing this all the time, interrupting whenever we, kindly come to an extra 44, page 73. Allow me. Please allow me.
Saying that
This is not fair,
as authorities of the state of West Bengal,
Mother-
they have said that a person had died within
Mother-
continuous and profuse bleeding.
Allah.
But that was a statement made on social media by one of the.
Kindly see 73.
On duty, are they not on?
No.
My lords, if I may
allow-
clarify, there are two
Can I-
sets of doctors.
can I address your lordship
1 second.
one
Yes.
by one?
Order. Do we record the assurance of all the council appearing on behalf of the doctors that you are on duty and you're not abstaining from work?
They are on
We are
duty,
not
they are
on
not,
duty.
and they will say why. We are on duty.
1 second.
Can I
Miss
address your
Silvita,
lordship?
Yes, what is your statement?
So our statement is that the West Bengal Calcutta doctors, junior doctors are not on duty. There are 1737 hospitals and nursing homes in West Bengal, in which 1500 are fully on duty. Senior doctors, even in the balance, 200 odd are also on duty, but the junior doctors are not on duty because
Across the state of West Bengal?
no, Calcutta, only Calcutta. Yeah, so the figures are for the whole of West Bengal, but the ones who are not on duty are in Calcutta and its periphery. They are not on duty because they are still getting threats. People are being told, we know your father's in government service. We know what you will face.
No
I have
complaint has
given.
been filed, they say anything.
1 minute. I have filed an application. I have given in sealed cover the name of some of the miscreants in KG Court, RG Court. And I have given a detail of at least 5 or 10 hospitals
Sutra, we
and college.
will direct that if the doctors resume work immediately, no adverse action shall be taken against them presently because of the fact that we are seized with the matter.
My lord, can I
But equally
request?
now, if they do not resume work as doctors, then we can't restrain the state government from taking disciplinary action. That's entirely within their jurisdiction.
My lord, first the action has to be from miscreants who are actually threatening them day in and day out. I've given examples of complaints by Burdwan Hospital, Midnapur Hospital, Medical College, Kolkata. I didn't want to burden your lordship, so I gave 4 examples in Calcutta itself, where there are threats to the doctors from within and without, just because. So we had, obviously, my lord, all they are asking, we should have separate rooms, separate toilets. I'll tell your
What
lordship,
are the threats about?
the threats are they are just bullying, beating. 1 minute, because several of these persons supported the RG Corps protests. So many of them are being victimized. There's a group which is being headed by a medical forum. I don't want to name it. I don't want to make it any political. I'm only saying apolitically that it cannot be that just because these students, and they are doing volunteer duty just outside the hospital in camps. They are working in various health clinics, and I can show the photographs.
Might as well go back to your work.
No,
in the
because
hospital.
there we are receiving. So what I'm saying, we need a room for females to rest at night because 36-hour duty. We need a room for males separately. We need toilets for them. We need CCTVs. We need senior women, CISF people near us so that we are not threatened. I have no difficulty. If I can work inside, I can work inside, but I have to have a safe environment. And I have given a sealed cover. Sorry.
Ms. Luthra, just give us
Sorry.
30 seconds.
Sorry, my lord.
सुप्रीम कोर्ट में पूरे मामले की सुनवाई चल रही है। इस बीच आपको बता दें कि डॉक्टर्स की तरफ से जो रिप्रेजेंट कर रही हैं पूरे मामले को, उनकी तरफ से साफ तौर पर कहा जा रहा है कि जो सेफ एनवायरनमेंट है वो डॉक्टर्स को उपलब्ध नहीं कराया जा रहा पश्चिम बंगाल राज्य में। वहीं दूसरी तरफ आपको बता दें राज्य सरकार की तरफ से कपिल सिब्बल जो कि प्रेजेंट हुए, उनके द्वारा कहा जा रहा है कि डॉक्टर्स ड्यूटी पर नहीं लौट रहे हैं।
They work for 24 hours.
Yes, yes.
At a time in a given shift, how many resident doctors work?
Okay, I'll find out, Mulas. I'll find out. I don't know, Mulas. I don't know. Mulas, may I request, apropos her complaint,
Female doctors are there at a time in a
I'll find
shift.
out. I don't know, Mulas.
Totally, how many hospitals public hospitals in the state of West Bengal? Is it correct?
Mostly-
1737?
Basically, Mulas, all the really healthcare network is in Calcutta itself. The large part of the network is in Calcutta.
How many government hospitals are there?
In Calcutta or all over the in West Bengal? Government hospitals in West Bengal. We'll just find out, Mulas.
And in Calcutta?
We'll find that we should be able to.
All right, ऐसा लिख लीजिए.
About 24 or so.
Just 1 second. During the course of the hearing, a grievance has been made by the government of West Bengal in regard to the mass abstention from work of doctors from government
Junior
medical
doctors.
colleges.
My lord, it's
Junior doctors.
It's only junior
Words
doctors.
in his mouth, right?
Pardon.
Of the of the abstention from work of resident doctors of
Yes, Manoj.
medical colleges and hospitals across the state for 28 days, as a consequence of which the healthcare system is facing severe disruptions. Full stop. Paragraph 7 of the status report, paragraphs 7 and 8 of the status report, which has been filed by the Health Department of the state of West Bengal, are set out below. Copy down that. Thanks. We are of the view that before that, we say the state of West Bengal must take necessary steps to create a degree of confidence, to create confidence in the minds of the
Doctors.
of the doctors, that their concerns in regard to security and safety are being duly attended to. Full stop. In order to ensure this, all the respective district collectors and superintendents of police shall take stock of the situation and ensure that necessary conditions have been created for ensuring the safety and security of all doctors in the government medical colleges and public hospitals, including, to brackets, provision of separate duty rooms for male and female personnel, semicolon, bracket 2, availability of toilet facilities for male and female personnel, semicolon, and bracket 3, the installation of CCTV cameras. Full stop. In the affidavit which has been in the status report, which has been filed on behalf of the state police, it has been indicated that funds have been sanctioned by the state of West Bengal for setting up additional CCTV cameras in the government medical colleges and hospitals, and for carrying out necessary structural work and for carrying out necessary work towards creating other attendant facilities for the doctors. Full stop. This shall be continuously monitored by the district collectors in conjunction with the superintendents of police. Full stop. In order to create a sense of confidence among the doctors, we also direct that in the event that the doctors report for duty within a period of on or before 5 p.m. tomorrow, no adverse action, no adverse disciplinary action shall be adopted by the state of West Bengal. Full stop. Moreover, in the event that any complaint is made for their abstention from work for the antecedent period, full stop. In the event that any further complaint is received in regard to the lack of safety or, as the case may be, security, such complaints shall be promptly attended to by the superintendents of police by making suitable arrangements with the local police stations concerned. However, if there is a continued abstention from work, despite the above facilities which have been directed to be put into place, there may be a likelihood of adverse action being adopted in the future, which may best be obviated by the return to work. Full stop. The resident doctors must be aware of, cannot be oblivious to the needs of the general community whom they are intended to serve and should reciprocate by returning back to work within this period. Which
May I just...
Lord.
One second, hold on. I have not yet finished. Allow me.
Assist one aspect. One, we are only 2% of the doctor force. We are just junior doctors. So we just senior
But
doctors.
you can't say others are working, so we need not work.
No, I'm not.
You have to get back to work.
I'm unsafe. I'm only saying, give me 3 days. And let them put an affidavit of
Giving you 2
compliance
days.
in place.
We are giving you 2 days. We have asked them within these 2 days for them to take necessary steps. That's why we didn't say today. We have given until 5 p.m. tomorrow, right?
Malad, may I now?
Public outplace. Again,
What is all this? Is
yeah, but one of the most associated with the police that a boy died out of bleeding.
Anyway, look, we are not here to either lend a ear to the politicization of the matter or other. All that we want to, 1 second, we want to ensure that due security and safety is provided to the doctors, but equally, the young doctors must now return to work and attend to their patients.
Well, once again, I haven't finished. Just give you, allow me, please. I'm on my, yeah. Well, let's see what the protection is. Well, let's see page 73.
We know what is happening on the ground. All that we want to assure the doctors is,
Yes.
first, return to work. We have said that the district collectors and the superintendents of police will monitor the situation. They shall provide adequate facilities to ensure their safety and security. They must now come back to work. You can't say that, well, others are on work, therefore we will not
No,
work.
that's not at all an argument.
But
I'm just saying that,
equally, we have put everybody on notice that if they do not return to work,
yes, yes.
then please don't hold anybody responsible if disciplinary action is taken, because then
Lord,
we
we are
can't prevent
more
any
than
government
willing
from.
to work if we are working outside.
Hold on,
But
hold on. May I finish? Malad,
may I say one thing?
What? I haven't finished, my dear.
There is a threat.
Take your turn
And I-
after lunch.
Luthra, we have therefore taken care of your submission on the threat. We have
Yes,
said
yes.
that.
My lord, the names of the miscreants, can I give it to the
Give it to
solicitor?
give it to Mr. Solicitor.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
There are several miscreants in this hospital itself. We are
let's-
giving
well,
the
let's-
names to the solicitor.
Malad, may I finish, Malad? Now kindly turn to page 73, Malad, of the police status report.
So what is that?
Well, just have a look at it, Malad. There are some photographs your lordships will see, Malad.
Yes.
Give it to my lord.
One second. You filed it, right?
Yes, we filed it. Therefore, I'm saying, yesterday we filed it, we circulated. We have hard copy now, Malad.
Status report by Kolkata Police.
Page 73, Malad. Annexure 44.
Sir,
It may be given to
44.
us, otherwise I'm not.
it only goes on to Annexure A37.
No, no.
Page 73.
Page 44, page